Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. As the video states today, I want to talk about max daily loss and the concept that it shouldn't fail your combine, your FTP, or your funded account. Now, I know this is like their hard and fast rule, and I do agree that max daily loss is important, but let me be a little bit more clear today on what I think is the better approach. If there was a competing company out here that would offer this, I'd probably move from one to the next. And it basically comes down to the concept that we all have a WTF mentality at times. And honestly, I believe Topsteptrader capitalizes on that concept. Now, how does it operate? Now, what I believe that max daily loss, it should shut you down from trading. Now, whether they want to shut you down for a day, they want to shut you down for 2 days, they want to shut you down for the rest of the week, that's their call. But it should not fail your combine, your FTP, or your funded account. It should not be an event that's a money-making situation for Topsteptrader. So, honestly, I believe the only reason that you should fail out of combine, FTP, or funded is that if you hit your max trailing drawdown. Now, they have the rules and set. For instance, at the 50K, if you lose 1,000 a week, you have to stop the trading. Now, I'm not certain if you well, I know they block you, and if you go past 1,000 in that period of time, you lose that as well. So if you lose a certain amount of money, and although they have these drawdowns, you can't go past max daily loss. And if you ever go past max daily loss, whether it's by mistake or you planned it or whatever, everybody out here has a self-destruct mode that trades, and it should be there for us to stop us from trading. And that I agree with. That if you, here's the issue: when you start trading and you're in the midst of trading, you don't start the day saying, oh man, I want to hit max daily loss. I want to lose as much amount of money as I can. Nobody comes in, at least you shouldn't come in with that mentality. But during the session, when you start getting down 20, 30, 40 ticks, when it comes down to the 30K account, you get to the point where when you should shut it down, but you don't. And that's the I don't want to lose mentality. And it's tough for a lot of us to walk away when you have that kind of mindset going in, because you don't want to lose. And that's what they're playing against. They're playing against, I don't want to lose, against the self-discipline. And what I believe that if you hit max daily loss, it should stop you from trading. So we agree that it should stop you from trading, but it shouldn't be a money-making event for Topsteptrader. And now with them having that, the 150 with FTP not being a free event, there should be a bone thrown out for us that are here, and that's the bone that I believe that they should be able to help us. You know, if they really want to help us get to funded, well, then max daily loss should not be a money-making event. It should stop you from trading, at least for that day. So you're done trading on the day. Maybe stop you from the next trading day. I mean, they could tell you you have to go 3 days before you get your account, before you reopen and be able, or you have to go into practice account for the next 2 days or 3 days. You mean, they can work around this. There's no hard, fast rule. When you're a futures trader, you should set up your max catastrophic loss with your broker. So in other words, if you go to this point, like in my account, if I go to this point, then I want out of my account. Same thing with max daily loss. Max daily loss should just be, bam, you hit it, now you have to do this. So if they want to make a rule, but it shouldn't be like, oh, you have to hit the 99 reset, or you have to do this, or it should not be an event. And especially, let's say that you're up $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in your account and you hit max daily loss. You know, that's crazy. So, you know, and there's been days that I mean, I have had accounts up 1,000, up 1,200, and you have these bad trading days, and you lose track of where you are. and you hit max daily loss. The next thing you know, I had to withdraw money because of hitting max daily loss. I mean, it's just, some things are good, some things are bad. Max daily loss is a concept that I think is outdated here at Topsteptrader. I believe that it should be an event that does not lose your combine, your FTP, or your funded. What are your thoughts? This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.